You saying, gals and gents, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live life the affordable way. My channel focuses on lock and beauty, so if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Well, it's maintenance day. Today we're going to be washing, retwisting, and styling. For shampoo, I always go in with Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore shampoo. Now, I normally like to run my locks underwater before I start applying my shampoo directly. I just feel like it will suggest so much more once it's wet. So now we're going to apply that shampoo to our scalp. And once we've done apply that shampoo to our scalp, we're going to rub it in. And as you will see, the shampoo lathers up very quickly. And once it's done lather up in the back like how I want it, I'll go in and add some more shampoo and I'll add that to the front of my hair because you want to get all. Always be sure to bring the shampoo down to the end of your locks because you don't want nothing to leave. And now we're going to go in for our deep scrub. So we're just going to start by scrubbing our locks. I'll just let the music play because this is pretty much straightforward. Now for the fun part, time for me to get that dandruff, that beads in my scalp. So I'm using a scalp scrubber and I'm just scrubbing my scalp to make sure that everything is off my scalp. This helps so much and this feels so good on the scalp. Like I can't even exaggerate it. But I notice that every time I do this, my dandruff doesn't come through as fast no more. So yeah, we're just going to scrub our scalp with this. Our locks are nicely clean and trust me, it feels clean. I'm not even gonna lie. So now we're gonna run the water over it and we're gonna get every part of that shampoo out. I normally take my time with this part because sometimes shampoo does leave over and we don't want nothing leaving over in our locks to cause no mildew or mold or nothing. So we want to take our time and make sure all of the shampoo is out. So don't rush this part, enjoy the process. I feel like maintenance day is supposed to be enjoyable, so enjoy it. Now our locks are finished. We're going to take a shirt. I always go in with a shirt, a white shirt preferably, because I just feels like this avoids a lot of length. And we don't want that. So now we're going to go in and check everything. Make sure no shampoo is left over. Make sure our scalp is clean. But I'm very happy with the result. So let's moisturize. To moisturize, I'm going in with the sulfate medicated grease. As you all know, I do battle with dandruff. Normally when I do this routine here, my dandruff doesn't come unless I go to a salon. So I'm just going to apply this all over my head and thoroughly because like I said, this does really work and it helps my hair a lot. From I've been using this grease, I haven't been seeing as much dandruff as I normally would. So that tells me that this product here works extremely well for my hair. going to go in with Jamaican mango and lime Jamaican black castor oil. And I must say I can thoroughly do a review on this because this really does help with dry scalp. From I've been adding this oil on my day-to-day routine, I haven't seen a bit of dryness. However, I do always use Sunny Owls, but this will definitely be an alternative for me because it's not as thick as Sunny Owls, but it still works just as good. So I highly recommend this oil right here for your locks and your scalp. I'll link it down below. And trust me, when you add this lock to your scalp will definitely look moisturized. Our last and final step, we're going to go in with some rosemary water, and this is just going to seal everything that we applied into our hair. Now rosemary water is good for many things. It's good for dandruff, it's good for scalp health, it helps with hair growth. So like rosemary water is just my overall go-to product. So I love me some rosemary water in my routine. Now my babies are nice and moisturized. As y'all know, I would wear my hair like this and be out the door. But today, we're going to style our locks. So I'm going in with some 2-strand twists. And I went ahead and did the back for you just because this was my first time doing it. And I'm going to do the front on camera. So I'm just showing you guys how it came along. Okay, so now we're gonna restart our 2-strand twist. So I'm just oiling my scalp. My hair is already damp. As you know, I retwist with oil and water. So now we're gonna start twisting my hair. I normally retwist to the right of me. So I'm just gonna retwist and then palm roll to the end. So then we retwist the next section. Once we've done retwist the next section, to form our 2-strand twist, we then 2-strand to the left. This is going to help secure your 2-strand twists and help it come out so much neater. Once you remember, retwist to the right, 2-strand to the left. Go ahead and add a rubber band to the end of my lock. I didn't know my camera wasn't recording the end part, so I'll do much better. Now I'm going to show you that technique one more time. So we're going to retwist our hair. So I'm just retwisting to the right. And now we're going to 2-strand twist to the left. Once you keep repeating that in your head, your 2-strand twist will come out so perfect. Okay, so our hair is nicely retwisted and 2-strand styled. So we're going to go in with the Style Factor Edge Booster. And we're just going to lay our edges. You know, we can't have a style without our edges laid. As you can see, they were piecing on the side. So let's lay our edges. This is my full look. I hope you guys enjoy maintenance day with my loc. We wash, retwist, and styled.